channel. It's Kanisha. I'm glad you're tuning in for another video. I have a few goodies that we're going to test out today, guys. It's the new Colourpop, from the new Colourpop summer collection. We have the Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray. We have their Matte Blur Primer. We have their new No Filter Foundation. And this is the shade Deep 185, you guys. And we also have the anticipated Mar palette. There is a sister to this palette and her name is Soul, and she has more warm tone colors, but this one here is blue and golds, like the beachiness and the water. But it's a beautiful palette. It has some mattes and shimmers in there. Also comes with a mirror. Comes in this cute little packaging here. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look here using some Colourpop goodies, then just tune in and keep watching. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also you can hit the like button. Don't forget to leave comments, feedback, whatever you want, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Alright guys, so this is what the packaging looks like for the Mar palette that is by Colourpop. If you don't know, Colourpop is also cruelty free. I think this palette retails for about 12 bucks. I think they had some kind of special going on online where you can get the Soul palette and the Mar palette together for $25, I think, and they do free shipping at $30. Let's open it up and see. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. Super cute and very excited to use it. Of course, I've already used it and swatched some of the colors already just because I have done this eye. And we're going to do the other one on camera. So in this clip, you can see that I'm using my Morphe 5304 brush, and I went in with the chocolate brown shade that was in the palette, and I'm just placing it on the outer corner of my eye and working it into the crease to blend it out. I am just blending this brown eyeshadow. I don't want the color to be too saturated in one area, so that's why I'm taking the time to blend it. I'm also going to go back into the palette with the same Morphe 5304 brush and choose the tan shade, I believe was called Boozy, and I'm going to place that everywhere that I put the brown shade just to diffuse the color a little bit and not make it super saturated. It's got some pigment. Look at that. That's so pretty. I hope I'm not doing too much, but I'm going to focus it right on top of that brown on the outside corner, and that's the only place that I'm going to put it. Well, I'm going to take it up into the crease a little bit, but focusing a lot of the pigment on the outside corner, and then we'll go into the crease. I think I put too much. Now I'm going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Brush. I think it's number 16. And it's got a little bit more density to it. It's a little bit more firm. So I'm just going to use that to buff it out. And for this part of the video, I am taking a Colourpop flat tip brush. I don't know the exact name of the brush, but I'm taking that brush and I'm going to spray it down with some of the Ciate London Dewy Spritz Spray. It has a lot of glitter in it and it works the same as Fix Plus. And since these are shimmer shades, I want to spray my brush down with that so that they pick up a little bit more of the shimmer and it applies a little bit more pigmented. So I'm wetting my brush and then I'm going to dip the brush immediately into the green glittery shade that you see in the top right corner, and I'm going to take that color and pack it all over my lid and trying to create somewhat of a small cut crease without actually doing the cut crease. And what I found with these shadows while doing this part of the eye is that some of these are not super pigmented as they look in the pan. So looks can definitely be deceiving when you're working with this palette. You just kind of have to work with it and build the colors up to your liking. Okay, and along with the palette that I got, I also got Colourpop's new Matte Blur All-Star Primer here, and the Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray. And this has been out for a little minute, but I'm a little late, so we're gonna try the Colourpop No Filter foundation as well. And I got the shade Deep Dark 185. Let's kind of read what it says. It says, we bottled up a selfie filter to give you perfect looking skin that stays matte all day. This pore minimizing, line blurring, skin perfecting primer is formulated with the rose and chamomile extracts and gives you the perfect canvas. You apply a thin layer over moisturized skin, allow it to sit for a minute, and apply your favorite foundation. Okay guys, so in this clip of the video, I am just applying the primer. My initial thoughts would be that this primer feels like the Fenty Soft Blur primer as far as the lotion-y feel goes, but it also feels like the YSL primer because it kind of dissipates and disappears into your skin after, and it kind of feels like it has some silicone in it, so I guess that's where the smoothing part of this primer comes in. Overall, I do like the primer, and my face did set kind of matte after using it. Now, the next thing that I'm going to try out is the foundation. This is, again, Deep Dark 185. The color looks like this. A little bit on the cool side, I guess, but kind of orangey too, so we'll see. Okay, yeah, this might match. Ooh. Definitely got some warm in it. So in the bottle it looked a little bit cool to me, but I think it looks very different once it's out of the bottle, so that's also something to look out for. Right now I am using the NYX Foundation Brush in number 16, I think, and I'm spraying it down with a little bit of the Ciate London Dewy Spritz Spray just to give the brush a little bit of slip so that it can move the foundation pretty well. And I'm just buffing this foundation into my skin, doing more so of a swiping method than a patting method or buffing method into the skin. And yep, that's it. Okay, so my initial thoughts about this foundation, I'm actually not mad at it at all. It actually has a little bit of coverage. It's definitely matte. I can feel the matteness on my face, and it's actually a good color match as well. My skin looks super smooth, other than a little breakout I'm getting like around here, but it looks very smooth. Has a little bit of a glow to it too. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, here I finished the rest of my makeup off camera, and now I'm going in with the Colourpop setting spray, which is supposed to mattify as well as be weightless on your skin. Once I sprayed it, it did smell like baby powder to me. I don't know why, and also the guys, this primer comes with 4 fluid ounces. I didn't do this part on camera, but I did use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Kunafa, I'm guessing, but it's the yellow one, and I've been testing this out. I actually wore it out not so long ago when I took my kid to the Children's Museum, and I was outside like all day, and this helped my makeup to stay on so well. So I have been using this pretty often, and that's what I used to set under my eyes as well. So everything looks nice. I feel like everything applied really good. Everything is what it says it is. I feel like the foundation is matte. I'm not gonna check back in and show you what my face is looking like, but I will leave some details down in the description box. But the foundation seems pretty matte. The spray is really nice. Has a little bit of a scent to it. And the primer is really nice as well. And all of these I think are like $12 and under. And I really like the eyeshadow palette. The only thing that I would say about the eyeshadows is that you have to work with them and build them up a lot to get a payoff like this. It took me a very long time to work it and blend everything in, but the colors are so beautiful, and the palette is only like $12, so how could you pass it up? You just need to go ahead and get it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also leave some comments down in the comment section If there's anything that you would like to see me review, or if you have any kind of feedback or whatever, go ahead and leave that in the comment section as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.